Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to humanize AI content using QuillBot AI. All right, let's begin. Open your browser and go to Google, then search for QuillBot. Select the official website, QuillBot.com, to ensure safe access and updated features. On the homepage, locate and click the AI Humanizer tool. This feature refines AI-generated or overly formal text into natural, readable content while keeping the original meaning. In the text box, paste your content. Before pasting, remove sensitive information and ensure your message is clear. Click the Humanize button and wait for processing. Avoid refreshing the page during this step. Once the output appears, review it carefully. Check clarity, tone, and flow. Make small edits if needed to improve transitions, word choice, or phrasing. This process helps transform stiff writing into engaging, human-like content while preserving accuracy. So that's basically how you can humanize AI content using QuillBot AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.